Okay, so that thumbnail may be a little bit dramatic, but if you have AirPods, you know that these things can get pretty dirty, especially on the inside. If you're dropping them down in your pocket or whatever, these things are going to get dirty. So let me show you how I clean them. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. Normally around here on this channel, I do some tech and tech-related unboxings, product reviews, talk about different things. Today, I'm going to show you how I clean my AirPods and show you the product that I use for that. Before we start, I will say that you can totally clean your AirPods with something like some alcohol, one of these microfiber wipes, some Q-tips maybe. Wait a minute, this ain't sponsored by Q-tips. Cotton swabs, I should say. Anyways, you don't have to have any of the products really to do it, but I'm going to show you something that I got. A company had sent it to me, and it's a kit for cleaning AirPods or earphones of any kind, so let me show you how that works. In addition to this kit by RevJams, I also am using one of these little, they call them rocket blasters or whatever. It's basically just a little blower that you squeeze. You can force some air somewhere to clean stuff out with. So this works great for cleaning camera equipment and stuff, and it also works good for cleaning these AirPods. So let me open up this kit. I'll show you what all is in it, and then we'll get started on cleaning. All right, let's open up this kit. It comes with a little resealable zipper, kind of like a Ziploc thing. So now let's open up the stuff, see what all that we have. This is a static-free brush that you can use to get some hard to get spots clean. Yeah, this is pretty nice here. Comes with an antibacterial cleaner, a little spray bottle that you can use. Also comes with a little RevJams microfiber cleaning cloth. Comes with 3 little soft bristle brushes here, tiny little brushes that you can use. We've got some little soft, almost like a cotton swab, some fabric here on some little brushes. That'll be good to get into some hard to reach spots. And then you have several antibacterial cleaning wipes that is also included in this. So yeah, this is what's included. Now let's get started cleaning. Okay, to get started, I'm going to take the AirPods out of the case first. We're going to work just on the case to begin with. And the first thing I'm going to do is use this blower that I have. And I'm just going to try to blow off some of this dust. Trying to make sure there's nothing that is stuck down inside there. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm going to take the little anti-static brush first and go in through here where there's some dirt and dust, and just going to brush away that first. Around the edges here, get around that. And clean the inside out here, but we're not sticking it all the way down into the charging ports. And I apologize for the noise. They are tearing a building down next door to me, so that's probably what you're hearing. Next, we're going to take the cleaning cloth, and we are going to use a couple squirts of the cleaning solution. Just spray a couple squirts on here. And then we're just going to wipe over everything, the outside as well as the inside. Just make sure and try to get everything wiped down the best that you can. And since we still have a few stubborn areas, we're going to use one of these soft bristle brushes. We're going to go in here and just kind of really get in close and tight and do our best to get all of it off. You can even use this soft bristle brush to go down into the charging ports here very carefully. Just kind of roll them around just a little bit, spin those brushes. They fit perfectly down in there. That way you can get out anything that is in there. I recommend holding it upside down. That way if there is something in there, it will fall out. We are also going to use this brush and kind of go here right into the inside of the charging port just a little bit with this brush. See if there's any lint that is stuck right there into that charging port. Make sure it is cleaned out good. And finally, to finish up here, we're going to take one of these little swabs here and mist it with a couple sprays of the cleaning solution. And we're going to get down into these little crevices and try to kind of scrub it a little bit to get some of the tougher spots off. Now before we do our final touches on the case, we are going to move over to the AirPods themselves. First things first, I'm going to use this small soft bristle brush to to kind of get in here by where the little speaker and the microphone is, and also the part that goes in your ear that is kind of nasty from some earwax. Yeah, use this and loosen up any of that earwax that is in there. Just do it very carefully because you don't want to damage any of the earpieces. And by spinning this little soft bristle brush, really works good to get some of that junk out of there. Turn the actual ear pod over and make sure that you clean the bottom where the charging port is as well. And inside this little crook, this little bend here, make sure that you get in there. If you have some stubborn spot that just won't come out, go back to the larger brush, a little bit stiffer bristles. You can kind of do that right there, and it may loosen it up a little bit more, but still be pretty gentle with it. Once you've got everything loosened up, we're going to take our cleaning cloth again with a couple more squirts of cleaner, and just going to wipe these off really good. You just want to mist it. You don't want these really wet. These are not really considered waterproof, so yeah, just a little bit of dampness there goes a long ways. So if you see a spot, go ahead and touch it up. Now that we're to this point right here and got everything clean, we're going to finish it up with one of these antibacterial wipes. So yeah, this will be the finishing touches. We'll go over the outside of the case first. Sure, wipe everything down, open it up, and go over everything inside. Once we're finished with the case, then we move on to the earbud part. And go ahead and wipe everything down as well with this antibacterial wipe. If for some reason you need to get another one, then yeah, just grab you another antibacterial wipe. But go ahead and make sure that everything is wiped down and cleaned very well. And now we are finished with nice clean AirPods, and we're good to go for a little bit longer. And now you can enjoy your nice clean AirPods. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.